Hey everyone, it's Elle from Weet, and we are going to discuss 5 tips to improve your camera presence. So first things first, try to look at the camera at all times. Don't look away, off to the side, or focus on anything else. Focus on the camera like it was a person you were talking to. Number 2, stand or sit up straight. All right, try to have good posture. Number 3, keep your hands to your sides or folded gently in front of you, like the person in the picture. Don't cross your arms. That'll maybe come off as aggressive. And try and keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Number 4, smile, especially at the beginning and the end. You want to make a good first impression, and you want to leave people with a good impression of you. So smile maybe more than you would in other situations. And last but not least, speak more slowly than you would if you were in person. I know, as you may have noticed so far, that I speak super fast. So just always speak slower on video than you would in person. And those are 5 tips to help you feel comfortable and confident with your camera presence. Thank you so much, and happy weeding.